Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today I am at Hinton Admiral. We're going to be seeing services from South Western Railway and CrossCountry. So yeah, let's get into the video. Passing through now is a South Western Railway service from Weymouth and Poole to London Waterloo. And that was 444035 and 444005. Passing through now is a South Western Railway service from London Waterloo to Weymouth and Poole. And that was 444044 and 444014. Passing through now is a cross-country service from Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly. And that was 220033. Passing through there was 221121 and 220006 on a cross-country service from Manchester Piccadilly to Bournemouth. Passing through now is a South Western Railway service from Weymouth to London Waterloo. That was 444034 and 444005. Arriving now is the 12:15 South Western Railway service from Bournemouth to Winchester. And passing through at the same time is a South Western Railway service from London Waterloo to Weymouth. The Weymouth service was 444030 and 444003. And the Winchester service is 450090. Departing out now is the 12:15 South Western Railway service from Bournemouth to Winchester. Arriving now is the 12:31 South Western Railway service from Southampton Central to Bournemouth. And this one is 450 this is. And departing out now is the 12:31 South Western Railway service from Southampton Central to Bournemouth. And passing through now is a South Western Railway service from Weymouth and Poole to London Waterloo. And that was 444041 and 444009. Passing through now is a South Western Railway service from London Waterloo to Weymouth and Poole. That was 44037 and 44002. Passing through now is a cross-country service from Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly. That's 220026 and 221131. And actually, that was 220026 and 221121. I do apologise for the mistake. Passing through now is a cross-country service from Manchester Piccadilly to Bournemouth. And that's 220013. Passing through now is a South Western Railway service from Weymouth to London Waterloo. That was 44003 and 44008. And that is going to be the final train in this video. So if you have enjoyed this video, then please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this one, and comment down below any stations you want me to visit. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.